Hey guys, welcome to Recombo. It is Basil here taking a look at the LG G Pad 8.3 and compare it against the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 8.0. Perhaps its most obvious rival, but they are two very different tablets, and here's why. Firstly, you can see the size. The LG G Pad, despite being just 8.3 millimeters thick, is a little bit thicker, but it's also bigger by 0.3 inches, the screen that is. It's also got a much higher resolution display. It's a full HD display as opposed to a WXGA display on the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 8.0. The Tab 3 8.0 runs Android 4.2, as does the LG, but the LG's runs LG's own interface, while Samsung's runs TouchWiz. The differences don't stop there though. In terms of the design, they both have a lot of very similar features. You've both got microSD expandability, infrared blasters, not to mention the standard array of buttons and controls. There are stereo speakers on both devices, located at the bottom on the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 and located on the back of the LG G Pad 8.3. Inside, Android 4.2, as we said, is customized differently across devices, and those customizations on TouchWiz include a really heavy load of transitions, widgets, etc. If we jump over into the notifications bar, we can also see Samsung's taken a much more minimalistic approach to customizing their notifications bar than LG. We normally find TouchWiz very busy, but in this instance, it's mainly the transitions and the widgets that give us some beef. Samsung does customize things like the gallery app extensively, so it can take quite a while to open if you've got loads of photos in there. So bear that in mind. You've also got a less powerful processor in here. It's a dual-core Exynos processor. In contrast, you've got a quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 processor clocked at 1.7 gigahertz in the in the LG G Pad 8.3. Much more powerful, much better screen. This is definitely going to be a much more expensive device, or we reckon it will be, and if it isn't, then it'll be a steal, because you can pick up the Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.0, Tab 3 8.0 for just £250. As far as other key specs goes, both devices will be available in Wi-Fi and LTE variants. Both have cameras on the back, neither has a flash, both 5 megapixel. So all in all, it really is going to depend on what you want. Do you want a brilliant gaming machine? Do you want that performance? 2 gigabytes of RAM is basically a phenomenal flagship phone, rammed in a tablet-sized body. Or do you want something a little bit more affordable, a little bit more mainstream? Do you just want some casual ebook reading? You're not too fussed about gaming or full HD movies? Then it's going to be the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 8.0 all the way. Hope you've enjoyed our comparison. I've been Basil with Recombo. If you like this video, click like. If you like the channel, please click subscribe and fire any questions you have in the comment section below.